once you got to the end of the day in the solution design, you give your facilitator these solution designs and you move on to Wednesday. Wednesday's a big day because Wednesday you have to make a decision. So the first thing we start is we take your solution designs, which will be anonymous and have some sort of catchy title, and within the space of 2 hours your team would have reviewed and selected one of the solution designs. They would have gone through, they would have, as a group as well, so it's pretty fast, pretty rapid. After lunch, we storyboard the prototype. Now going back to this example of Fox architecture, if we was to storyboard this prototype, now I'm not going to go through it because I'm really mindful of time as well, is thinking about it, it might start, think about where it starts. It doesn't start from the interface. The narrative of this storyboard, for example, might start from an email, bless you, that Fox sends out to their clients. So it might be an email link where they go to some sort of portal. It could be an app, it could be, or it could be a web app, one of the two, and we can decide where that storyboard would end. It might end at actually them submitting, the designer submitting a concept and us asking for the testers to review it, leave some comments, or just approving it. Just a simple, maybe 10 to 15 frame storyboard that we'd build together.